Hello everyone, in this video I am going to sing it out, this patriotic song which I am thinking about it from last night itself. So let's we start. Shall we start? Shall we start with this? Shall we start with this? Shall we start? भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. माँ हमने तन मन जीवन तुझसे ही पाए हैं, तेरी धरती से जन्मे तेरे फल खाए हैं. हम पर तेरी ममता, तेरे करुणा के साए हैं, तेरे बाहों में पले. माँ हम तेरे हैं लाडले, दीवारे हम बनेंगे माँ, हलवारे हम बनेंगे माँ. झूले जो तुझको है किसमें दम, भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. हमको प्यारा है तेरा हर जर्रा भारत माँ, हमको प्यारे हैं तेरे पर्वत जंगल नदियाँ. हमको प्यारा है तेरे गाँव नगर, तेरे रस्ते गलियाँ. कोई दुश्मन कभी अगर भूले से दिखा ले इधर, दीवारे हम बनेंगे माँ, हलवारे हम बनेंगे माँ. झूले जो तुझको है कसम दम, भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. Okay, that's why a quite good experience. I I don't think so. I will speak it out quite. Speak it out or sing it out in a quite what? Like the singer sing what? It's my feeling toward this song. I just sing it out. I was thinking to sing it out. I just sing it out without thinking to being a perfectionist. I just share my experience toward that song. भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. Okay, I think now can we read some news related to some kind of stuff or keep continuing with this? I think we should, because it's all only what's it only format has passed in this video. I need to go back to second news. भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. भारत माता तेरी कसम, तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे Mataram. Okay, I'm going to read out some news related to tech stuff now. How to apply for software job. How not to apply for software job. I review a lot of resume written in interview, and many of them are badly written. The article describe a few things not to do when applying for software engineer, a role of mechanical. Say me and to note about your process. But this is advice I believe is good when applying for any company. Most of the writing advice useful when writing your resume, cover letter, and other written part of the job application. In fact, I argue that most of the apply in any kind of non-fiction or writing to set the scene. Remember, you are writing for a busy hiring manager to or engineer who is tasked to reviewing your application and hundred of other making decision based on the limited information. They want to hire people who stand out. Don't use ChatGPT. I know you are just told, but here initially I qualified. Don't use ChatGPT, but you careful. But you strong recommendation. Don't at least September 23 at, or it make you should like a robot. When candidate first start obviously using AI for their application, I would chatting. Since then, I have changed my approach. I will wait for some mission is written by human. The thing is that also mission that clear use AI tool are terrible. They might have a grammar but the incredibly boring and they contain little or nothing over the candidate experience. One of the more question many high company ask fairly open experience with software operation and running service in production. Here are representative wide pro level, all level. This thing don't use flowery prose. Had a profound mastery of Java. They journey command, their school constructed program. They extended their expertise. The crafted lambda function. Don't write phrases like leveraging a diverse set of technology tools such as Python or Go. Your point will be lost to see a big word. Just say I use Python and Go. I recommend leaving the four over the top modifier. Writing the list of the full experience with Java. Yes, I will Allah don't say so. The one thing simple, don't let reader what you think. So then what you done. The weird example about aren't you for saying I fully constructed program is telling reader that think about you. Writing I build a fast subset of POSIX make 50 lines of Java showing them but don't be generic. Another we interview question how would you approach the design implementation in future of production space? A lot of candidates again possibly with the habit instead answer the question how would a textbook define a software development cycle. Would you hire that is for generic to try something like instead I really have speaks some of the following plan when I get designing a new auth service. For example, I read 3 page spec including architecture design load textual server all that stuff. Don't play buzzword bingo. Don't ignore instruction. Some resonative check or GitHub profile. If you link GitHub, make sure that decent profile on it. It's just bunch of project like for popular and half big data science product. Don't link a profile at all so that you are built generalizing your advice. So what you build, this is one of the strongest single startup will look and it will work for established companies too. Project is built linked to the weather website or GitHub project page. If someone significant contribution to a popular open source product describe that your sentence. You can also allow build a closed company by describing in clear detail what part one. For example, at Shopify edit design HTML email template to design what must write in English or acceptably. If an application for English, make sure your resume cover letter is to our company communicate in English. So well required application skill don't include them all. Don't tell skill JavaScript to me. Deep experience with Python, some exposure of proficient shell script. I will programming 30 year having used well not as a language, but one resume try to stick key one. I found make it stand out. And now I'm going to read some comment about this post. Why do employee get how to properly to job advertisement? These articles are only about what workers should do. Don't not how companies fail. Again writing good description. Describe your experience with software operation running service in production is really bad question that open-ended. Example response like at Shopify double click rate 15%. Don't think companies like that. I had happen with applicants recently where feed our job description into chat, generate cover letter was only describe coaching phrases from JavaScript written. Trying to give a Educate a chance, I asked him why he had applied for position hope in the hope they will write a misshot answer, but was piqued their interest. Alas, they choose to use ChatGPT to generate this answer as well, hitting me with another wall of text mindless blah blah blah. Software engineering used to like job ChatGPT real about trying to game system. Okay, Mac OS container be quantities might have made me finally stop using Docker Compose. AI is fundamentally a surveillance technology. Mini Pro casino in your project. Search is a nickel Blackboard Astro nav system Blackboard eye tracking. Nickel hydrogen batteries inertia. Is math real? Control center is Mac OS. The United States of bad with or beyond. When I stop trying to self optimize, I get better. Okay. I, when I stopped trying to self optimize, did I need to pay subscription for this? Then what? Post description and that in Sonama. The United States of bad bath. A hacker guide to language model. When I stopped trying to say, okay, F35A has flown from highway from first time. Don't need to say it. What can we achieve through this? Bharat Mata Teri Kasam Vande Mataram. Okay, can we say it? Yeah, it can see that there is a possible causality through that, through which we can transfer it. All the story fixed workation. Olena internal pedal analogies of Google astronaut Unity oldest community announced this TikTok is changing the whole book of recommended answer. TikTok TikTok is changing the way books are recommended and sold. Ah, bro, everything is required to subscription. That's bad. Android low latency audio in 2008. Text editing on mobile, the invisible program. Google who can't give up paper. Mars are research meeting. Choose Postgres Q technology. iPhone 15 tear down river. Will smart software lockdown. I think 15 minutes. No, 13 minutes passed in this video. We need to cover more 2 minutes. It's a fifth video of the day. Kafka and anti-pattern. There is no map style on OpenStreetMap and OpenStreetMap.org. I need to say this. OpenStreetMap. How does it different from? How does it differ from? Search from over. It's similar to previous map itself. How it is different from? I don't know. Test arrivals. Online schools to click Airbnb is different now. Open AI school. I think 15 minutes passed in this video. Okay, 14 has passed. भारत माता तेरी कसम तेरे रक्षक रहेंगे हम वंदे मातरम Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Thank you for video. We'll see you next time. Just express my thought. I am not expert in singing here, so don't try to judge me here out for a little bit. I just try to share my experience. If you are judging, nobody's. I don't care about that. It's your it's your way of thinking. It's not my way. I need to express my thought. I had the way whether you judge or not. I don't care about that. Simply. भारत माता तेरी कसम